Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.